This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning guys, December 16th, 2019. In there I got a call for a problem with the sump pump. Something's going on there, some kind of leaking action happening at the pipe, she said. So, we'll go over there and see. She said it was black pipe, so it's probably that poly pipe. So, we'll go over there and see what's going on with it. I've worked for this lady before. I did some work on her kitchen sink, tied a new kitchen sink in, and so we'll try to get you some shots. Drive. You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. I know it. I know you love driving. You love driving. That's high speed.
There's only one speed.
That's pretty cool.
I'm sure that they could probably adjust it to make it go faster, but then you get dizzy.
What's this little remote down here? So if you're down here, you could lower it down.
If Roy wanted the chip because it was up here, he could.
What this thing? This thing's not cheap, huh?
No, it was not. But the VA gave it to him for free.
All right, so that bracket broke off down there. You want to know why? Because this thing's spinning. Look at this. It's floating in the flipping wind here. There is Allen screws here that are loose. Look at that. We can tighten up them Allen screws and then reattach that bracket for her. I got a clamp for the bracket. See if we can do that for her. See if we can fix it for her. See if we can fix this for her. I told her I could put a new pump in it, but she says she don't have the money for a new pump. We'll try to fix this. Give it the old, how you doing, mama? So we'll give it the old, how you doing? That's why it broke. It's flopping in the wind. It should be. Three of them. I'm surprised it's not attached somehow. It should be attached to the wood somehow. Maybe that's what I'll do. Put a clamp on it or something for her. That should be better now. Let's see what happens now. One to spin, she says. Can I tell you? should clamp it. How long will it last? It should last a little while. She won't have the money, so. It sounded so good. Yeehaw. Some plumber strap. We'll strap it. There we go. You, how you doing with the strap? Not too bad. Not too bad for this neighborhood. I'll get a couple of screws in there to hold the board. At least one. It's as good as it gets. Come on until we get a lot of water in that pit, so that's about as good as it's gonna get today. It's what we call a budget job. That's it. As good as it's gonna get today.